let's get this one angle. Oh. Yo, thank you for chilling. This shit, bro. This shit right here. I'm about to do a little quick clean. I got all these fucking. Oh, I can't even talk, bro. These eggs, bro. These eggs got me lost, bro. They got me lost, bro. I'm gonna throw 2 extra in each one, bro. Or 1 extra in each one. Because ain't nobody gonna complain. Oh my god. Look at my fingers, bro. Yo, let's go. Let's fucking go. Alright, we're gonna try it. We gotta try it while it's hot though, right? No. Well, I will eat both. Look, we got a mess right here. Yeah. Save that lemon.